Hey there, BBQ lovers! If you think you've tasted every burger under the sun, you're in for a treat. I'm about to show you how to level up your grill game with my favorite mixed meat patties. So juicy, smoky, and packed with flavor, you'll never look at burgers the same way again. All right, let's dive in. First things first, ingredients. You're gonna need half a pound each of ground turkey, lamb, and pork. Yep, we're going all in with this trio for the juiciest, most flavorful combo. Lay them out side by side and admire that color. Trust me, this blend is where the magic happens. Now grab a big old mixing bowl. Toss in the meats, half a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 egg, a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 minced garlic cloves, a teaspoon each of onion powder and smoked paprika, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon black pepper, and a 1/4 cup of your favorite BBQ sauce. If you want to get wild, a handful of shredded cheddar makes these next-level cheesy. Mix it all up. Use your hands if you're feeling bold, or a spatula if you want to stay clean. Just remember, don't overwork it. We want it tender, not tough. Now, form your patties. Aim for 4 to 6 even rounds. No hockey pucks, please. Here's a little Chicago tip. Make a small thumbprint in the center of each patty. That'll keep them flat and juicy on the grill. Let's fire it up. Preheat your grill to medium-high and oil those grates. Nobody wants sticky patties. Carefully lay your patties down, listen for that sizzle, and let them hang out for 5 to 6 minutes on each side. No constant flipping. Give them a chance to get that smoky crust. Now, here's where it gets fun. During the last minute, brush on a little more BBQ sauce for that sticky, caramelized glaze. You'll see those juices bubbling on top and the smell, pure backyard heaven. Once they're done, stack them high on a toasted bun. Add some crunchy coleslaw, tangy pickles, or even just a heap of grilled veggies if you're feeling virtuous. Cut into one and just look at that juicy interior. This is not your average burger, folks. It's smoky, rich, and bursting with flavor in every bite. So if you want to impress at your next BBQ, give these mixed meat patties a shot. Don't forget to subscribe for more gourmet grill ideas. There's so much more coming your way. Happy grilling, Chicago style.